Hello, dear students. So I am going to discuss physics NEET 2020 question paper. So I would like to say physics paper was relatively tough, or you can say lengthy, relatively with respect to 18 and 19, 2018, 19, 20, all the years, or last 3 years you can check. So it was relatively lengthy questions and conceptual. Some of the questions they asked from deleted portions also. So we have to learn those areas also. Radioactive decay they asked, and pure rolling also the questions are there. So I'm going to discuss one by one with category easy, moderate, and tough. So first question is this question is from the magnetic field. A tightly wound 100 tons of radius 10 centimeter current is flowing at the center of the coil. So at center we know B is equal to what? Mu naught I by 2R into N. So substitute all the value. Conversion is required here. So most of the questions they have given centimeter and millimeter. So you have to convert into those. Have to take care of the unit conversion as well. So 0.1 meters. So answer will be 4.4 millitesla. Option 1. This is easy. Easy. I have categorized this easy. Second questions also database easy. Diamagnet. The kappa is what negative. So first one. Second option ferromagnet. Kappa is what more. So A2 B3 paramagnet is what? Positive value. C 4. So only one option is that is option 3. This is also easy. I'm categorizing this in easy. Third questions. This is a process, cyclic process, but they're asking the work done in BC. The BC is what? Isochoric process. This is also easy, but you have to read the questions properly. Okay, this is not like cyclic process and find area under that curve. So answer is 0. This is also easy. Fourth one, an unpolarized beam strikes a glass surface in Bristol angle. This is all again, you should know the theory part of the wave optics. However, the question is easy, but you should have a know that apart from formula that which ray are polarized. Here, whenever the reflected and refracted ray both are perpendicular, the reflected ray completely gets polarized and reflected ray is partially polarized. So option, the reflected light will be completely polarized, but refracted is will be partial polarized. Option 2. This is also easy. Again, fifth one, the transformer NP by NS is, we know NS by NP by NS is equal to what? VP by VS. So VP by VS is what? 1 by 2. They're asking VS by VP. So 2 is to 1. This is also easy. So out of 5 questions, all 5 are easy, but you need concentration while writing the exam and read the slow all the line. A logic circuit provides output Y as per the following truth table. This is also easy. Directly you can see, no need to check other option. A 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Option will be remaining. You can check option, but here we are getting 3 bar. This is also easy. A vernier caliper. So we'll get what? We know what? N VSD, N plus 1 VSD. N plus 1 VSD is coinciding with what? N MSD. So 1 VSD is equal to what? N by N plus 1 MSD. So least count is what? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. If substitute and convert millimeter into what? Centimeter, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. We'll get option 4. Next, this is also easy question. The maximum elongation of a steel wire of length is this is again formula based. Young's model is what? Stress by strain means what? Delta L by L. So L by delta L. So delta L is equal to stress by Y into L. The maximum elastic limit they have given, that is equal to stress, that is 8 into 10 power of 8. We can substitute here. Y values are 2 into 10 power of 11 into 1. So 4 into 10 power minus 3, 4 millimeter. Easy, direct, formula based. Ninth question from mechanics. Very simple. Acceleration of the block is what? A is equal to F by M. 10 by 5, 2. Then normal force on 3 kg. AD is equal to 3A, 6 Newton, right? Option 1 easy. If the monochromatic source in a YDS experiment is replaced by, we have all we know that the white light is passing at center, there is no path difference. So what happened? We'll get central bright white fringe surrounded by colored dark fringe, right? So option 1, this is data theory based, easy. So apart from numericals, you should know the theory part and NCRT with the clarity. The graph, formula based from formula with graph. So lambda is equal to what? H by root 2m k. Lambda square is equal to what? H by 2m k. So k is what? As to 1 by lambda square. Kinetic is inversely equal to lambda square. That equal to 1 lambda square, right? So graph will be straight line. So option uh, 2. This is to question 12. It is capacitor. Easy. Okay. Wheatstone bridge. 2 is to this will go. Now 2 are in series. 1 and 1 are parallel. 2. This is easy. 13th, easy to moderate. We can say we have to see the direction north to. This north is moving this side. So it will try to pull. Okay. So flux will be what? In this direction. So if you curl the finger in this direction, so what will get here? A to B. The current will flow A to B. Here, south pole is going this way. So it will be current will flow opposite, which will repel the south pole, right? Will be like this. So D to A, D to C, A to B and D to C. 14th, NCRT direct graph, always LED and solar cell or photodiode, anything they can ask. We have always highlighted this point. So the graph will be for solar cell will be like this in fourth quadrant, correct? And they operate in reverse bias. Option A is correct. Option B, this is also correct, but it is due to a minority charge carrier. So option 2 is not majority. So need some concentration while reading the question, and you have to have a clarity about this, diode and solar cell, how it operates. So option A is correct, option B is incorrect, option 3 here. Prism, question 15th. This you can say moderate. You have to do some calculation. So if you use the refraction, see, if you see the formula, there's only one option which is what? Greater than 1. Remaining all are less than 1. So directly you can say 1 second. Otherwise, mu into sine theta. Mu sine I so is constant. My mu sine theta is equal to constant. So here 1 into sine 30 degree is equal to mu sine R1. And second is what? Sine R2. If you use the on AC refraction, sine R2 is equal to what? 1 by mu. And R2 is equal to what? 90 minus R1. This is also 90, right? So if you substitute here, this is what cos R, right? So cos R1 is equal to cos R1 is equal to 1 by mu, then root of 1 by sine, 1 minus sine square. If you use both the equations, we will get root 5 is to 2. So we have to use the two equation and have to solve. Given below the two statement, one is assertion, one is reason. The potential V at axial point 2 from the center, we can use V is equal to Kp by R square, and you will get The answer, the dipole is 4. So 9 into the power of 9 into 4 into the power minus 6 by r square 4. 4 gets cancelled. This is correct. 9 to the power of 3 you're getting. Plus minus because p dot r at p are cos theta. It can be right side or left side. The formula is what? Kp by r square. Kp cos theta. 2 is not there, right? So this is wrong. So one is assertion is A is true, B is false. So option 1 is correct. The moment of inertia of a thin rod about an axis passing through its midpoint. Midpoint I is equal to what? ml square by 12. Correct. So just put m is equal. This is also easy. Correct. But we need some calculation conversion. Easy. We can categorize. 18th. So again 18th direct questions easy. This also we can categorize in easy. I is equal to what? Total circuit I is equal to what? V by R equivalent, that is 10 by 5, 2 ampere. Now this they're asking what is the when internal voltage. So you put I into R directly, or V is equal to E minus IR. So 2 into 4, 8 volt. This is also correct. Easy. Question number 19th. Just one concept. As a number of spectral line increases, energy will be more. The gap of the spectral line is more, and del more E will be more. This frequency will be more, wavelength will be what? Less. So when the electron jumps from H into 2, the energy will be more, frequency will be more, wavelength will be what? Less. See that the n to n, when electrons are jumping from higher to lower orbit, this 6 minus 2, 4. So energy will be more, wavelength will be less. So for D, option 1. See, only one is there. Second, here n is equal to 5, n is equal to 2. The gap is 3, right? Here gap is at 2. For this C, for C, 2. See, again energy for this option C is what? More, wavelength less, right? So 4, 34. Then 2 to 4. 2 to 4, wavelength will what? Again, it increase 486. Means B, 4. So option, frequency increases, wavelength will what? Decrease. So this is again hardly to take 30 seconds to solve. So, and only one option, if you start from D option, you'll get, this is only one option where there's no other D. So actually you can take option 4. Go to 20. And that is related to theory of the dual nature. So you have to read the statement carefully. Like, still the question is easy, but you have to read properly. So option first one they have given energy of photon E is equal to h, that is correct. Speed of photon is again C, correct. Momentum of uh, photon is P h mu by C, that is correct. H by lambda, right? So that is what basically mu by C. The photon emission cause of both energy and momentum is also, this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Photon possesses positive charge. No, photon is neutral charge. This is wrong. So you need complete understanding of properties of photon. Then you can write. Okay. How a paper is easy, but you have to one by one have to check the statement. So A, B, C, D is correct. E is wrong. So option 4. See, radioactive decay. The question is easy. The assignment related portion. Uh, alpha decay means what? Y is what? 280, 286. Then again decrease means what? Z 79, 286. Then it will increase to 80, right? 80, then again 81. So atomic number 81, but there is no change in mass number after this 286. This again easy. We categorize in easy. Question number 22. So they have given the displacement of particle S is equal to what? 2t minus 1 velocity is what? 2. We know power is what? F dot v. So 5 into 2, 10. So 23rd again we categorize it easy. Here A bar. This is A, sorry, this is A, this is A bar, this is B, this is B bar. And again A, this is NOR get A bar plus B bar is what? A dot B. So this is what and it. 24. The mass of the planet is m by 4. G dash is equal to what? Gm by r square. And diameter is also half. Diameter is half, radius also half. G dash is what? G r square by 4. So 4 will go up r square and m by 10. So this 2 by 5 gm r square. That is 2 by 5 around 10 you can say. 20 by 4, 5 means around 4 it is coming, right? So 3.92 square direct. This is also easy. Atoms are electrically neutral and they contain equal number of positive and equal number of negative. This is absolutely correct. Atoms of each element are stable and emits their characteristics. This is correct. Emits their characteristic spectrum. But whether all the atoms are stable, all the atoms are stable. In old NCRT, they've given all atoms are stable. And new NCRT, they're saying most of the atoms are stable. So as per new NCRT concept, most of the atom, not all. So statement 2 is wrong. As per the old NCRT, statement 2 is also correct. So I have to see. Okay, so I'm going from the I am going through as per the new NCRT syllabus. Okay. So next question. Next question I'm going to tell. Hello. Hello, audible. Hello.